What is up, Remodelites? My name is Dave with Remodel Media, and in this video we are going to dive into some of the features and benefits of the American Muscle Grill. I had the opportunity recently to hang out with Tim from Somerset Grills, and he gave me a tutorial on exactly how this machine works, and it is a beast. Without any further ado, let's get into it.
Because this grill, even though it's a great gas grill, it's also a fantastic solid wood-burning grill. So you can cook either way with gas or wood, but we prefer to use wood because that's the cool thing about it. So why would you want to cook on gas if you could have the same convenience of cooking over fire? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fire this grill up. I'm going to cook you some steaks and some other stuff just so you can taste how great the food tastes if I don't screw it up. And does anybody have a phone on them? You can set a timer?
Yeah.
Okay, set the timer. As soon as when I fire this thing up, set it for 3 minutes. And let me know when that 3 minutes is up, okay? Go ahead.
3 minutes.
Yeah, so,
Yeah.
so when 3 minutes is up, I'll turn off the gas and you'll see something kind of cool. But, you know, I mean, I worked at, most of the people that don't know me, I worked for Lynx Grills for 8 years. Fantastic barbecue, absolutely fantastic barbecue. But it's a gas barbecue. You can't really, I mean, you could cook, just go out and buy the best steaks in the world and go and sit and cook on every one of those grills in there, and they're all going to taste pretty much the same because the gas just heats it up. It doesn't add any flavor to it. By cooking on solid fuel, you get to add flavor. I use a 200-year-old red oak logs is primarily what I cook on at home. And then also in here I have some lump charcoal. I think it's mesquite, if I'm not mistaken. But I like the 200-year-old red oak. It grows central coast of California. It's the only place it grows. And I buy it in Orange. There's a place called the Woodshed. And they sell wood to cooking teams and stuff. I just order up pizza oven length wood. It's already split and it fits perfectly on my grill. So you can always see it starting to smoke pretty good. So here's the deal, why this grill is so cool, why I love it. I have one in my backyard. You come home from work, you open the grate up, open up your drawer, you grab whatever solid fuel you want out of there, throw it in there, turn it on, go in the house, get your steaks ready. By the time you get your platter ready of food you want to cook, you come out, the wood is ready to go, you turn off the gas, and there you have it. Probably minutes with the gas grill. You come out, you turn on the gas, you go in and get your food. Maybe 30 seconds longer. How are we doing on time?
We are at minute 53.
Okay, so we're almost at 2 minutes. So 1 more minute to go. I'll turn off the gas. And one of the cool things that happens about 95% of the time is that right now the fire inside there is fighting with the gas for the oxygen. So when you turn off the gas, the solid fuel goes, it ignites even better than it is right now. And it's kind of a fun thing to watch. Now that I've said that, you probably won't do it, but about 95% of the time you'll see it pop up. So the grill is on sale right now for $49.99. The regular price is $59.99. I'm hoping that $49.99 becomes the new price for the grill. We'll see. And the cart is $24.99, so $2,500 for the cart and $5,000 for the head. But there's a lot of stainless steel in this thing. When we get inside, you see the grill inside. Be sure to show them like the fuel trays and all that good stuff. Are we?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Okay, now let's see what happens when I turn off. See the flame now take off? So now the gas is all off. I'm only using 3 of the 5 burners. This is 110,000 BTUs, by the way. So it's got a lot of power. Our 54-inch grill has 176,000 BTUs. So it's cranking. So
What type of wood did you say that was?
this is a 200-year-old red oak. The bag says just red oak. That's what it looks like right there. Pizza oven, red oak. And I asked somebody, I said, because a chef has one of these grills of ours, and the first time we saw him cook, he says, we asked him what kind of wood he was using. He said, 200-year-old red oak. I said, well, they all out of 210-year-old red oak? What's the deal with the 200-year-old? And I think, if I remember correctly, I think he says that they don't allow you to cut down oak trees. It has to be fallen wood. Maybe that's why it's 200-year-old. I don't know. But you can see it's all ready to go. I'm looking for, here you go. You gotta have gloves. I mean, we give you a set of gloves with this grill because you're gonna grab that only once without a glove when it's on fire like this, and then you will never do it again. So you get a set of gloves.
I was like, is that just for display? But no.
When you get a set of gloves, you get a cover with it. You get 2 of these tools here. These tools. Let me try to grab the cold one.
Yeah, exactly.
These tools are multifunctional. They allow you to clean the grates off, scrape the grates. Obviously, lift that up so you can put fuel in it. You can also take this and lift out the fuel trays. If you've got a hot fuel tray and you want to dump it or something, you can put it in right there and lift it right out. And then my favorite function of this is this opens an adult beverage. So this is it's pretty close to being ready to go. I've got some chicken, I've got some ribeyes, some pita bread. We'll heat them up, and how's everybody like your steaks, by the way? Everybody like steaks?
Yeah.
Medium.
Medium? Medium
Medium.
or well?
Medium well.
Okay. So almost ruined, right?
Almost.
Yeah.
Little bit of pink. Little bit of pink.
My oldest daughter likes hers well done, and I cook everything rare or medium rare at home. And she looked and she'll see blood, on the bottom plate, and she's, this isn't done yet. I said, yeah, it is. And she says, no, it's not. And I said, that's why God gave us a microwave. Go in there and ruin it inside. Because she likes it really, really well done. So I'll get some steaks going.
So, Tim, how does this differ than the one that we have in the showroom?
It's exactly the same.
It's the exact same one that we have
Yeah,
in the showroom?
that's theirs, yeah.
So the one that looks like this, there's only one model. Those are all different types of model, but the American Muscle Grill is just
one model.
way,
Yes.
5,000 basically.
Yeah, and it comes in
2,500 for the cart, so 7,500 the way you see it here.
7,500 the way you see it here.
We have a 54.
We also have a 54-inch.
Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you got something out of this demonstration. Go ahead and click here to watch some more content, and click here to like, subscribe, share it with all your friends, and I'll catch you in the next one.